What's up guys, James here from Car Collector JS. Today this box of Bowman Platinum came in. I ordered this from Walmart. I went to my local one and they were already sold out of this, so I just went online and purchased it. So it came in today. 2-day shipping was pretty good. So I ripped that earlier this afternoon, and I was just going to share with you guys some of the big pulls I got. So first off, I'm going to start with some good prospects that I got. So I got Nick Madrigal, White Sox prospect. You got Alex Kirilloff from the Twins. I really like the way this year's Bowman Platinum looks compared to last year's. I didn't like the wavy thing they had going on. Just looked weird. These are nice and clean this year. I like them. Keston Hiura from the Brewers. We got a Casey Mize, Tigers. We got a Christian Pash from the Braves. We got a Bo Bichette from the Blue Jays. You got a Jared Kelenic from the Mariners. You got a Tristan Casas from the Red Sox. And a Hunter Green from the Reds. Obviously there are a lot more prospects in this, but you know, those were just the main ones that I know of, at least, that are pretty good, highly ranked. So next up, I'm going to show the 2 number cards I got. I got this green Jake Lamb, numbered to 99. You can see that up there. Oop. Number to 99. And then I got this Pablo Olivares from the Yankees. It was a cool number card. So, you know, I collect Yankees. Number 146 out of 150. So that was a nice pull for me. Speaking of Yankees, so the next couple I'm going to show, well, besides that one, I got 2 nice Estevan Florials. I got this Prismatic Prodigies. Estevan Florial's the number 1 prospect in the Yankee system. Well, was until we signed that 16-year-old. I think he's already taken over the number 1 prospect, which is kind of ridiculous, if you ask me. But I mean, if it works out, it works out. And then this base Estevan Florial. And then some good rookies that I got. Always nice to pull a Vlad Jr. It doesn't say rookie card, so I'm assuming they made this product before he came up, or, you know, it was too late to change it by the time he came up. But yeah, so technically this is rookie year, so I'm going to consider that as rookie card. We got a Fernando Tatis Jr. rookie card. And we got a Pete Alonso rookie card. Alright, and then for the 2 autographs, the first one is a nice one. Blaze Alexander from the Diamondbacks. I'm pretty sure he's a pretty high prospect for them. One of their top prospects, so that was cool. And this guy I've never heard of, but it's number to 50, Ronaldo Hernandez. His autograph is literally just Ronaldo written out. But yeah, number 20 out of 50. So Yep. All right, guys. That's what I got in my Bowman Platinum box. I really like this product. I might try to get another one of these soon. All right. Well, thanks for watching. See you guys later.